Everybody knows about Italian food, pasta, pizzas, the types of pastas like fettuccine, tortellini, ravioli, lasagna, you name it. Even pizza has its variables, like you guys call it pepperoni, we call it with salame, because pepperoni in Italian means with peppers, or we call it diavolo if we wanted spicy salami. But who cares? If it's good, it's good, you're gonna eat it anyways. Italian food is probably up there for being one of the best foods in the world. Probably, I don't know. But I wanted to focus on two particular things, two beverages, specifically two alcoholic beverages. I don't even know if I could say the name. I'm talking about the Negroni and the Amaro Montenegro. Why do they have these weird names? The Negroni was invented in Florence, in Italy, obviously, 1919, by the Count Camillo Negroni. I guess now we know why it's called Negroni, but let's see the history behind it. So this Camillo Negroni asked his friend bartender Frosco Scarselli to make his favorite cocktail, the Americano, a little bit strong, by replacing the soda water with gin. This Scarselli added an orange garnish rather than the lemon you'd usually get with an Americano, and the drink was good and it took off. But the Negroni family was quick to take advantage of the cocktail success, so he founded the Negroni distillery in 1919 in Treviso, Italy, where they produced a ready-made version of the drink sold as Antico Negroni. But what about the Montenegro? The Amaro Montenegro literally translates bitter mountain. Never mind. So, who invented the Amaro Montenegro? The inventor name is Stanislao Kobianchi. And why is it called Montenegro and not Kobianchi? This Stanislao Kobianchi was born in 1862, had a passion for alchemy, and after resisting his father's wishes to become a priest, Stanislao set sail on a cargo ship to explore the world. Traveling to exotic places, he discovered the unique botanicals, from fruits and flowers to seed and barks, and began preparation for his own elixir. In 1885, Stanislao established the brand, returning to Bologna, Italy. Equipped with flavors from all parts of the world, Stanislao established the Kobianchi Stanislao Steam Distillery. The Amaro's name would later be changed to Amaro Montenegro in honor of Princess Elena of Montenegro, who married Prince Victor Emanuele III in 1896. In 1939, World War II would slow production, and the Amaro Montenegro factory in Bologna suffered a bomb damage in 1941. The Amaro Montenegro factory in Bologna reopened in 1946, and the production continues to this day. Fun fact about the Amaro Montenegro's bottle shape: as you can see, it is shaped like a potion, and it's because of Stanislaus Kobianchi's passion for alchemy. Thank you for watching. I just wanted to shout out my favorite Italian video game donkey. Yeah, ciao.